Microsoft 365 is your all-in-one tool for work and play. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. It's cloud-based, so you can access your files from anywhere. Collaborate in real time with friends or coworkers. Plus, OneDrive lets you easily store and share files. So, first of all I have to do is just open your browser and dive into microsoftonline.com or Microsoft365.com. Then you will find a page which is the home page. You have just to click over sign in. I can show you because I already have an account here. That's why I have just here this option to show you. So you have just to click over sign in here, and then you click over the button of create one, and here we have how you can create an account. And then you have just to add your email address, and then you click over next and you add your password as well, and you will find the home page, which is this one, as you can see. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use Microsoft365.com, as you can see in the top here. So first, let's know what is Microsoft. Microsoft is a cloud-based platform with tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It lets you create, share, and collaborate on documents from anywhere. Everything standardized across devices, so you are always up to date. It's perfect for work, school, or personal project as well. So, firstly, here we have in the top left, you will find here this button. Once you click over it, you will find here various things related to the business. Like here, once you click over Google, for example, let's just click on over Drive or something like that, and then you'll find like this one in the top, as you can see. So this is here for Google, as you can see, and we have also here Google Docs, Google Sheets, and other things. So for example, you want here the one off here, we have here for Microsoft. Firstly, we have Outlook, we have OneDrive, Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, To Do, Family Safety, Calendar, Clipchamp, and we have also Designer, Skype, More Application if you want. Once you click over More Application, you'll find here various applications here. So firstly, we have also like Sway, To Do, and we have more from Microsoft such as Bing. We have search web pages, image, and more. Family safety, find and set safety options. Then we have MSN, stay up to date on news, sports, and more. We have privacy, see privacy for your Microsoft application and products. Earn free rewards to redeem at the net. So let's just come back right now, and I will show you how you can do that. And let's just here come back to the home page. So let's just click on over the home, and you'll find here if you want to create new Word document. So let's just here start in Word document, which is Word. So about this one, go find other page, which is this one. Here we have Word, and we have here Microsoft. And to get started, you have just to start by adding one word leads to another. For example, here definition, or you have just to add a title by selecting firstly here the option of the size, and you have just to put which size that you want. We have also here to add a title. You click over here and you start adding a title. If you want to also use subtitle, heading 1, heading 2, and if you want to also know space, and you select here this one. So we have other options here, as you can see. Also we have here, if you want to here change the color, you click over here and you start changing the color, and you choose the one you want. For example, black. Here we have dark blue, orange, and we have other things. Also we have here highlight, and we have underline, italic, we have here bold, we have also here font size, and we have the various things. Also we have in the top here file, home, insert. About insert, here we have layout, reference, view, review, view, and help. So that's it for this one. Then we have also, if you want to present something, you click over here presentation, and it's a PowerPoint, I guess. Yes, it's PowerPoint, of course, because here we have it with this color, and you have just to add first the design that you want, and you add a voiceover if you want, and you add also here to present. You click over here and you start presented. Here we have start from beginner, and we have presenter view, research with coach, and we have also here other things that could help you out. So about this one, it's really good to use it because you have just to add whatever you want, and here we have how much page and other things. So right now let's just click over workbook, it's which is Excel as we know. So about this one, you'll find other page which is this one up here. So firstly, we have here, if we want to here, for example, add a file, just link the files with something that you want. For example, here, let's just add in here, for example, name or something. If you are a teacher, you have just to select this one. Or if you are here a businessman, you have just to select here the thing that you want and you type it here, and here you select here how much the price, and also you select how much you sell and how much you buy and other things. So it just gives you an example how you can use this one. All right, so let's just move into the next one, which is forms. About this one, you'll find here, sorry, we have here firstly quick start with if you want a choice, if you want a text, rating, date, ranking, Likert, we have here net promoter score and section. For example, you choose one of this. So yes, let's choose in date. Then you have just to write a question, then place input date here, and you here add a new question if you want about with the same thing. If we come back right now and let's choose another one, which is quiz. Sorry, I think this one we discovered. Then right now we have lists. All right, so here we have lists as you can see. About the list, you'll find here this one. You have here to create a list, you have just to start from scratch and you add yours, or you can just from existing lists or from CSV, or you can just select the template that you want. For example, please just click it over here and I will just add a list name here and description, then I will choose the color and icon, then I will click over create. For example, let's just here add something, and here we have here describing something. Add a list name, for example here list 1. Then I will choose here this icon and I will click over create. And here we have the first list that we create. And then you start with the list and you modify it as you want. So that's it for the lists. Right now let's just move into design, and we have also other things here. For example, about this one you'll find also here video if you want to create video, and also sway. So about video you'll find here like that, and the start of videos, and then we have also here sway. As you can see, we have Microsoft Sway, and you can start to look over here. Then we have also, if we come back and click over here design, and you start designing a template, so you can just know the name on his title. So we have here design, then we have here sway, and you have here video and the list. So you can just get started with Microsoft. It's very helpful and useful to use it, and we have various things that could help you. Also, we have in my content application, and you can just click over here to view more. We have also OneNote, Teams, and Outlook as well, and OneDrive if you want. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.